My name is Brent Sanderson. I'm an orthopedic surgeon working for the University of Rochester, specializing in sports medicine. I grew up in Penfield, New York. I worked on a farm in the summer, and typically you'd find me in the hockey rinks in the winter. I graduated from McQuaid and then went on to Geneseo, so I stayed pretty local for my undergraduate career. I went on to medical school in Missouri and then went all the way out to California. But something about Rochester just brought me back, and this is where we want to raise our family. Patients typically come to see me for athletic injuries or sports-related injuries or even everyday trauma. I see patients for shoulder injuries, elbow injuries, as well as knee and ankle injuries. Patients range from a kid just starting out on a sport and unfortunately suffering an injury, all the way up to patients in their 80s to 90s who unfortunately have an injury or a chronic or acute trauma that I need to treat. Patients expect a teammate or someone who's going to be on their team when they come to see me in the office. Someone to listen to them, someone to understand them, and that's who they'll get when they come to see me. I'll be someone who's in their corner, who shares in their frustrations, but also shares in their successes and triumphs. I truly embrace the role as an orthopedic surgeon, and I understand and fully grasp the amount of trust and faith that you place in us. I love what I do. I love being an orthopedic surgeon. I was born to do this and born for this profession.